from the Sunkissed Kitchen, and today I'm in the Coco Kitchen making a tropical mango smoothie bowl. So today we'll be using some fresh mangoes because they've just come back into season here, some frozen bananas, macadamia butter, pretty much all of my favourite things, and some avocados and dates in the actual smoothie, and then adding as many tropical fruits as I can to the toppings. That I get questioned about a lot. My knife is ceramic. If you use ceramic knives, they don't oxidize the fruit as quickly, so it doesn't go brown. So if you can, and you're chopping a lot of fruit, you don't want it to go brown before you shoot your bowl, ceramic is the way to go. I get these from chef stores, but you can also get them from Asian groceries for really cheap actually. I also use melon ballers a lot, so I have a few different sizes. You can pick these up even at Woolworths or supermarkets if you're not in Australia. And chef stores, the little ones are harder to find, probably only chef stores or cooking supply stores have those, or even online. Same with the little star cutters. So these are fondant cutters. They're kind of like a cookie cutter but much smaller and much cuter.